Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome today on Sunday. Yes, Sunday. And as you know, on Sunday we don't receive any newspaper, so I have decided to continue with the puzzles or Sudokus in yesterday's newspaper of Saturday. Yes, Saturday, June the 19th, 2021. We have three puzzles left. A letter Sudoku, a Sudoku with 2 stars, and a tectonic with 1 star. But first, we will solve this this letter Sudoku, and this will be a number 2976. And this one we have here 9 letters. The N, the R, the F, the G, the A, the K, the O, the I, the T. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27 printed digits. Yes. Alright, so let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. Which letter can I use? Alright. So we have an O in this column. O in the middle column. So the column next, the only place for the O should be there. Afkorting. Then. All right. Let me see. O in this row. O in the row below. So in the last row, the only place for the O should be there. 3 missing numbers in the third column. One of the 3 letters, yeah. Missing in the third column. One of the missing letter is the A. We see here an A in this big square, so no A in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the A should be there. Alright. A. So now 2 letters are missing. The K is missing in the third column, and the I is missing. K and I. We see here K, no K there. K should be here, and I should be there. Alright. Alright. T. One, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing letters in this big square. One of the missing letters is an R. It's an R, yes. It's a R. We see here R, no R in these 2 boxes. There are no R in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the R should be there. R in the last column, R in the column next. So in that column, the only place for the R should be there. Then Yeah, are in the third row or in the second row. So in the first row, the only two places for the R should be here or there. We see there now. No R there. R should be there. A in the third row, A in the second row. So in the first row, the only place for the A should be there. The G. Two letters are missing, the I and the T. I and T. T T. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing letters in the last row. One of the missing letter is the N. We see here an N in this big square, so no N in these three boxes. So the N could be here, could be there. Well, we see another N there, so no N there. N should be there. Okay. So we have an N in the last column, N in the column next. So in that column, the only three places for the N should be here, here, or there. We see an N, no N there, here, and then no N there. The only place for the N should be there. Okay. Let me think. Well, in this big square, 4 missing letters. One of the missing letters is an I. We see here an I. So no I in these two boxes. So the I could be here, could be there. So we have an I in this third row, I in one of those two boxes in the second row. So in the first row, the only place for the letter I should be there. One letter left in the first row for the letter T. T is missing. Alright, so we have a T in the third column, T in the second column. So in the first column, the only two places for the T should be here or there. We see that T, no T there. T should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing letters in the last column. One of the missing letters is a T. We see here T in this big square, so no T in these two boxes. So the T could be there, here, or there. We see there T, no T there. Here T, no T there. The only place for the T should be there. Okay. T. Okay. Okay. 4 missing letters in this big square. One of the missing letters is a K. We see here K in the last column, so no K in these two boxes. There K, no K in that box. So one box left for the K should be there. K. 3 missing letters in this big square. One of the missing letters is an I. We see here an I, no I there. Here an I, no I there. The only place for the I should be there. 2 missing letters in this big square for the letters G and the F. G and F. Well, I cannot feel this yet. I need to wait. G and F. G, F, and the I in the last row, I in the row above. So in that row, the only place for the I should be there. I've marked those two boxes with I. Now I have I here, so this box can't be I anymore. That box should be an I. G. Okay. Well. Yes. 3 missing letters in this big square. One of the missing letter is an O. We see here no O there. So the O could be here, could be there. So we have O in this column, O in one of those 2 boxes in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the O should be here or there. We see there no O there. O should be there. Then 2 missing letters. The G and the F are missing. G and F. G and F still cannot fill this yet. Okay. T and the G. No. G and the N. Missing the N. Yes. 2 missing. We have an N in this last row, N in the row above, so in that row the only missing box left for the N should be there. 1 box left in this row for the letter G. 1 box left in this big square for the letter F. 1 box left in the last column for the letter G. So we have a G in the last column, G in the column next. So in that column, the only place for the G should be there. 2 letters left in this big square for the letters O and the T. O and the T. I cannot fill this yet. O and the T. How about those 2 missing letters? The I and the K. I and the K. I and the K. Those 2 boxes in this big square for the letters A and the F. A and the F. Cannot fill this yet. Need to mark those. How about those missing letters in the last row? The G is missing. The A is missing. G, A, and the letter T. No, T we have. The R. Yes. So G-A-R. So 1 letter left in this big square for the letter the K-O-E-T. And the F is missing here. Yeah, F in this row, F in the last row. So in the row between, the only place for the F should be there. 2 letters left in this big square for the letter G and the R. We have a G there, no G there. G should be here, and the R goes there. The R. So we have R in this row, R in the middle row, so in the row below. The only 2 places for the R should be here or there. We see there no R there. R should be here. R in this column, R in that column. So the column between the middle column. The only place for the R should be here. 2 letters left in this big square. For the letters G and the A. G and the A, we have an A there, no A there. A should be here and the G goes there. 1 box left in this column for the letter F. So we have solved this word, afkorting, abbreviation in English, yes. So we have solved this in 50 minutes exactly, but let me continue with solving this puzzle. 2 letters left in this big square for the letters G and the T. We have a T there, no T there, T should be here, and the G should be there. G in this column, G in that column. So the column between, the only 2 places for the G, the middle column could be here, could be there. Well, we see here G, no G there. G should be here. 1 letter left in the middle column for the letter A. Now I have a letter A here. So this box can be A anymore. That box should be an A. And this box should be an F. F, yeah. So 2 letters left in this row. The I and the letter A. No, A we have. I and the K. I and a K are missing. We see an I, no I there. I should be here and the K should be there. 2 letters are missing, the K and the letter in this big square. The F. The K and the F. The K and the F. Let me mark those. K and the F. T and the O are missing. T and the O. We have a T there. No T there. T should be here and the O goes there. 1 letter left in this big square for the letter O. 2 letters left in this big square for the letter F and the N. F and the N. We have an N there. No N there. N should be here and F goes there. 2 letters left in this second column for the letters I and O. I and O. We see an O, no O there. O should be here and I goes there. Now we have I there. So this box can be I anymore. That box should be an I and this box should be a K. Now we have a K there. So this box can be K anymore. That box should be a K. And this box should be an F. And the last 2 letters of this big square for the letters F and the A. We see here an F. No F there. F should be here and the A goes there. Yes, finish in 70 minutes. All right, 70 minutes and I'm pleased with the time. Yes, of course, it's slower than a Sudoku with numbers because I cannot do any double check. Yes, but I like this one. Yes, do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching and I will see you later with the second Sudoku, a 2 stars Sudoku. See you then. Bye bye for now.